Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable the new comic style Bitmoji avatar on Snapchat. But you have to be in Snapchat Plus to have this option. So open your Snapchat app, click on your profile, click on Snapchat Plus if you have the subscription. Here you're going to see an option to enable comic Bitmoji. It says enable new comic style avatars. Click on it. So that's how you enable comic Bitmoji on Snapchat. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.